Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a laptop using an easy method. First, let's ensure your laptop meets the game's minimum requirements. You'll need a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or 11. Make sure you have at least 4 GB of RAM and a processor comparable to an Intel Core 2 Duo E8400. A graphics card like an Intel HD 4000 or better is also essential for a good experience. Once you've confirmed your laptop's readiness, head over to the official Valorant website. You'll need to create a free Riot Games account if you don't have one already. After logging in, download the game client. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Be aware that the game download is about 25 GB, so ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection. To get the best performance on your laptop, optimizing in-game settings is crucial. Start by setting all video quality options to low. This significantly boosts your frame rate. Also, close any background applications that consume system resources. Regularly updating your graphics drivers ensures optimal compatibility and performance. Consider setting your display resolution to 1280 by 720 for a smoother experience. Now that you're ready to play, here are some essential tips to get started. Spend time in the practice range to understand different agent abilities and weapon recoil. Effective communication with your team, whether through voice chat or pings, is vital for success. Learning the various map layouts and common angles will give you a strategic edge. Finally, focus on mastering crosshair placement for consistent and accurate headshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.